What's the meaning of awning? Awning. Awning.
Awning. Awning. An awning is a type of shelter that is attached to the exterior of a building and is usually made of fabric or other lightweight material. Awnings can be used to shade windows, doors, patios, and decks, providing protection from the sun and rain. They are commonly found on storefronts and restaurants, but can also be used in residential settings. Awnings are often designed to be retractable, allowing them to be easily removed when not in use. They come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, making them a versatile and functional addition to any home or business.